The Black Carpenter, from the guy that wrote the book, The Black Carpenter's Guide. Today I'm out here with my company, Cajon Builders. If you've seen us yesterday, we did the demo. They have a drain down here if you want to get a close-up on that, if you can, down there at the bottom. So all the water flows toward this drain down here, so we have to get that cleaned out. So when water flows under this deck, it all goes down to that drain right there. Otherwise than that, yesterday was basically demo day. We pulled out all the 2x6s. We cut all the nails. We vacuumed everything up nice and clean. We're going to get the water hose, wash this down one more time, and what that's going to allow this to do, you're not going to have debris under the deck that clogs the drain up once the project is done. We had our Trex delivery this morning. We'll probably be installing it tomorrow. Over here we got a 2x8. I'm going to be adding joists in between each bay to strengthen this thing up. And that's about it. We'll keep you updated on our next post. You guys, if you have any construction project needs, especially decks, that's our specialty. Go ahead and give us a call. My number is 619-366-6999. Thanks for your time.